I'm Kayla with WTI, and I was looking for just the right size backpack for my 6-year-old to be able to take on trips or just to use whenever he needed to pack some things with him. This little backpack from MOUNTAINTOP is an awesome solution for us. It is a smaller capacity, which is what I wanted because at 6 years old, he's not trying to carry a ton of stuff. It just gets too heavy for him. But I can fit everything that he needs in this backpack. We recently took it on a trip and he used it as his personal item on a flight, and it was perfect to store a couple books, his iPad, and a couple snacks too. I specifically was looking for a backpack that held a water bottle, and this one does have 2 really nice side water bottle pockets, which make it easy to access for him. The main pocket is nice and spacious, but it also has some exterior little zipper pockets that give us a little bit of extra space too. I personally really love the strap situation on this backpack. So the straps themselves are really nice and padded, as well as the back of the backpack. But what was so helpful for my son was the little strap that went across his chest when he was carrying this. This really gave him a little extra security for those times that it was a little bit heavier and made it much more comfortable for him to carry. For my 6-year-old, this is a really nice backpack. It provides enough space for what he's able to carry, and it gives him nice comfort and support. But that's just our point of view.